This one's going to be for Heidi at Rain Country. I'm hoping it's a surprise. I'll probably post this video once it's done, complete. This needs to get fired now, so I have to fire it. I sculpted the feet and the hands. I clasp the hands so that I think I'm going to put herbs and stuff and other things in her hands because she's always doing something. And then there's her face. That'll get painted. And here will be, lots of hair will be added to it. If anybody knows Heidi, lots of hair. Some more later. Okay, this is the second part of making my Heidi doll. Heidi puppet. And if anybody knows Heidi, she always wears skirts like this. So I just got done patching it. So far, so good. I gotta make the camisole for underneath and then put her together. Add some hair, some paint, and we're good. I gotta go on the other side. There it goes. Yeah. Okay, it looks like my camera needs to be cleaned a little bit. The lens is on it. Let me take this off too. And let's see what I got here. Brighter, darker, bright, darker. All right. So this is where I am on my doll making. This is for one of the channels that really inspired me, and I felt I should go beyond just gifting her something that I think really helped me in my times. I really enjoy her channel, and I've been so busy kind of living her kind of lifestyle, and I really haven't had time to spend on her channel because of that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish her up and send her on her way. And I'm sure whoever watches her channel already figured out who it is, and that's because of her skirt. Her trademark skirt. Yep. So, and her hair, her crazy thick curly hair. Yeah, so I just have to finish painting her boots. I'm going to do the brown boots that she bought at Tractor Supply. If she remembers that. I remember that video. But yeah, I just have to do her eyes, and I'm actually going to put these in her hand. So, and then she'll be ready to go. I can send her in the mail. So she's going to get one of my handmade dolls. And I definitely take pride in my handmade dolls because they are handmade. Oh, there's her boots, her little cowboy boots. I hope she likes it. But I got a little, you know, her God is good. Her little cross right there. I don't know if it's not focusing. I wonder why it's not focusing. Let's try this. There we go. It's a little cross for her. And her apron. I'm liking how it's turning out. It reminds me of her. Okay, so I've got her finished. Her boots are drying. I just have to take the rubber bands off of her, and put her a little cross up like that. Yeah, and then she kind of looks like Heidi. I tried to get her facial expressions the way she usually does. So I'm hoping she likes this because I really appreciate what she's done for me. So that gift will be going out to Heidi at Rain Country. Thank you, Heidi. She's so funny.